Hello friends, in this video we will see how to convert the numbers of decimal number system into different number systems. Okay, so here in left hand side the numbers given are 12, 25 and 38. The base of these numbers are 10, means these numbers are in decimal number system and we have to convert these number into different number systems. So in first case we have to convert 12 into a number system. The base given here is 2, so it is in binary number system, so we have to convert this 12 number of decimal number system into a binary number. Okay, in second case here it is given 25 and 25, the base is 10, means the 25 is given in decimal number system and we have to convert into a number, its base is 8. Okay, so it is nothing but the octal number system's number, so we have to convert 25 into a number of octal number system. In third case the number given is 38 and we have to convert it into a number system of base 16, means hexadecimal number system. Okay, so in the three cases we have to convert the numbers of these decimal number system into binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. So let us see one by one. First of all we will take the case of 12. So 12 is given in decimal number system and we have to convert it into binary number system. So the base is 2 in binary number system, so we have to divide this 12 by 2. Okay, here it comes 6 and the remainder is 0. Again we divide it by 2, so here it is 3 times completely divided, so the remainder is 0. Now again we divide it by 2, so it is 1 here and the remainder is 1. Okay, so the reminders are 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, we have to convert these reminders, we have to count these reminders from downwards to upwards. So 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, this 1, 1, 0, 0. So the number comes here is 1100 and the base is 2, means this number is in binary number system. So this 12 is converted into a binary number which is 1100 and the base is 2. So it is our first case. Now take our second case. We will take our second case in which 25 is given and the base is 10 and we have to convert into a number. Okay, and the number of base 8. Okay, so we have to convert this 25 which is given in decimal number system into a number of octal number system. Okay, so again we have to divide this 25 by 8. So let us start. 25 is given in decimal number system and we have to convert it into octal, so we have to divide it by 8. So 3 times it is 24 and the remainder is 1. Okay, now we will take 3 here, so these are the remainders and in this case also we have to count it or we have to write it from downward to upwards. Okay, so for first is 3 and another one is 1. Okay, so write 3 first and then 1. Okay, so the number comes here is 3 1 3 1 and the base is 8 here. So this 25 of decimal number system is converted into octal number system and here it is 3 1. Okay, so 25 is written as 3 1 in octal number system. Now let us take third case. 38 was given there, and we have to convert it into hexadecimal number system. So we have to divide it by 16. Okay, so 2 times it is 32 and the remainder is 6. Okay, so take this 2 here and these are the remainders. Okay, and we have to count it from downwards to upwards. Okay, so first take 2 and then take 6. So write 2 and then 6, and here the base is 16. So this number is in hexadecimal number system. So this 38 in decimal number system is written as 26 in hexadecimal number system. So in this video, friends, we took the cases of conversion from decimal to binary, from decimal to octal, and from decimal to hexadecimal number system. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment box. In next video, I will give you the information. I will explain you the conversion of rational numbers from decimal number system to the different number systems such as binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Thank you very much.